There are indications that extraterrestrials have visited our Earth for thousands of years. This rock drawing in Fergana, Uzbekistan, is 7,000 years old. Clearly, it shows a being wearing a spacesuit, an astronaut's helmet on its head. Over the scenery hovers a disc-shaped craft, a UFO. In a Japanese cave painting, people are welcoming a luminous spaceship, or a group of ball-shaped craft, or the descent of an object in a spiralic course. Also, the 15,000-year-old cave paintings in southern France, showing flying discs over usual hunting scenes, so often that a French archaeologist put together a whole catalog of these Stone Age UFOs. All over antiquity and the Middle Ages, we have reports about the fiery spears, flying shields, and bloody red spheres. On a fresco of an old monastery in Yugoslavia, or here, in the oldest church of Soviet Georgia, two strange flying objects are observing the crucifixion of Christ. Orientalist Zecharia Sitchin discovered hints of extraterrestrial visitations in ancient times in Sumerian cuneiform texts.
Well, the books that I've written, including the one that you mentioned, which is the latest, are based primarily on the writings of the Sumerians, who gave us the first known civilization 6,000 years ago. And on their clay tablets, they wrote many tales of history and prehistory. Scholars know them, refer to them as myths. I wrote the books on the basis of asking myself and others, what if these are not myths, but things that actually happened? And if you accept the accuracy of these writings, which are echoed in the Bible, especially in the book of Genesis, the story that in essence comes out is that there is one more large planet in our own solar system. The Sumerians called it Nibiru. It comes to our vicinity once every 3,600 years, passing between Mars and Jupiter. And according to those ancient writings, people from that planet, called, as you mentioned, Anunnaki, literally meaning those who from heaven to earth came, arrived on earth for the first time about years ago. They came here for their own purposes, and the story is a long one. In the course of being here, they engaged in many activities that are reflected in the biblical tales, including the genetic engineering process through which we, you and I, Homo sapiens, was created.
They reappeared when man